This is Sam from servertrack.io. This video is about how to set up server-side tracking using our system. Go to servertrack.io in your browser. Then go to Start Free or Login. Then you can manually sign up using your email and password or use Gmail to create an account. We will use Gmail. Our account is done. This is our dashboard, where all the servers will be shown. Let's create our first server. We have multiple packages. You can choose as per your need. Go with the free plan now. Let's complete our setup. We have to fill this up. Enter your business name. If you have any referral code, you can enter here. Now click on Create Server Deck. Server Deck created successfully. It will redirect to the Configure page now. This is our Configure page. The authentication key is important. It's the only way your website and our server will connect. Here we can see custom domain setup instructions. We'll do these steps later. Here you will see all the platforms we currently support and their configuration, the installation script, and the WordPress plugin download option. Let's start by connecting the CAPI. Go to your Events Manager in Facebook. Switch to the Settings tab, copy the dataset ID, and paste it into the Facebook Pixel ID input field. Keep scrolling down for the CAPI access token. Make sure to disable automatic website matching and event setup. Make sure Setup with Dataset Quality API is checkmarked. Click Generate Access Token. Select all datasets and hit the Generate Access Token button. The token is generated. Click to copy the token. Then, set it in our configuration and click Save. Now, let's connect it to the web. We will set this up on a WordPress website. So let's download the WordPress plugin from here. Now go to your website admin dashboard. Hover on Plugins to click on Add Plugin. Then click on Upload Plugin. Choose the file, select, and install. Then click Activate Now. The plugin is activated. Now go to Settings, then Server Track. It requires the authentication key. Let's collect it from the server configuration and paste it here. Tracking mode, always choose Full Plug and Play. The other options are for old users who haven't updated the plugin yet. Then you can see the custom server domain. We will do this part later. We have an excluded URL system, a custom add to cart button trigger system, and a custom events trigger section. Save the settings. And we are done. Let's check our website. Reload the website. After reloading, you can see the Facebook Pixel Event Helper showing an event has fired. Congratulations, you successfully connected server-side tracking. No more old complex things or coding. It's just this simple. Let's test it in the Events Manager and see the live testing. Before testing, make sure you have whitelist your own domain. If you don't do this, The event won't show in Facebook. Find Allow list. Then follow the process. Switch to the Test Events tab. Copy the test event code and paste it into our server configuration test event setup. Then switch test mode on. To run the test, we need to visit your website from this section. Select your domain here and click Test Events. It will open your website. Then, we will perform some actions. Product view, add to cart, checkout, order placement. As per our actions, we should see page view, view content, add to cart, initiate checkout, and purchase. The first event is our website visit. Let's verify it. Here is the first page view. Then we visit a product page. So it should show two events, one view content and one page view. Then we clicked on Add to Cart. But our website reloads on Add to Cart click. So it should show three events, Add to Cart, View Content, and Page View. If you don't want that, you need to fix your website theme. Then we go to the Checkout page. So it should fire Initiate Checkout and Page View. Then we confirm the order. So now it should show the purchase and page view events. It's all here and already deduplicated. As everyone knows, we have a super fast server system. As we say, while other tools are still thinking, servertrack.io has already processed the data before your browser can even blink. Let's verify it. See the server and browser event times 6:31 and 6:32. Same for the others. It's not just a theory. We have live proof of how fast and accurate our system is. Let's try our Geo system. Turn the setting on from our server configuration. Let's reload the website and see the event. You can see the country, city, state, and zip code are sending via server. That helps your matching rate reach maximum high. Now, let's see how we can exclude URLs, use custom add to cart button triggers, and custom event triggers. We will first add a custom event called View Cart for whoever visits our cart page. The cart page currently fires only page view events. Let's go to our WordPress plugin configuration. At the bottom, we will input the URL, in this case, cart, which will trigger View Cart. Then set the value. You can set a random value here or set it to 0. Now let's reload the cart page. See, it fires two events. Now we will exclude the whole cart page, so no events fire there. Remove it from custom events, then add it to the exclude section. Reload the cart page. See, no events fired. The custom add to cart button might be tricky. Right-click the button, inspect the element, and see if you find any unique class, ID, or name. Copy it and paste it into the configuration. Then choose what it is, like class or ID or anything else. We have already added the most common IDs and classes. But if yours is different, use these features to trigger the button. Let's connect a custom subdomain. This feature is needed to save first-party cookies, making tracking more accurate. To do this, go to your domain or hosting provider. In our case, we are going to use cPanel Zone Editor. If yours is different, see our Knowledge panel for help. For security reasons, I have hidden some information. Search for Zone Editor. Go to Server Configuration, then copy the CNAME target URL. It's clearly mentioned not use tracking, pixel as your subdomain because it's the favorite word for blocker. It might block your request. Then place the CNAME, and in the name field, we used a random name stconnect. Copy the name and click on Add. Paste the subdomain in the configuration and hit Connect Domain and Auto SSL. It will start processing. Usually, it takes 1 to 3 hours for others, but we are faster. It should take 5 to 10 minutes. You can check the connection by clicking Verify DNS. The SSL is active and the connection is working. Now we need to set this in our plugin configuration and save it. The connection test is a bit tricky. Because our advanced, non-traceable script changes the URL on every reload. Open the Network tab in the browser. Then reload the website. And search for some random string and key. You will find the subdomain you just saved in the request list. Here is our script starts with stconnect. You can see your new connected subdomain here. And our work is done. Let's check our dashboard and debugger system. Click on Server Deck. You can see the list of connected servers and the usage and limits of the servers. Click on Server Overview. Here you will see all events in real time. Click on Debugger Tools to see how our debugger tools works. Let's visit our website as a visitor and see what happens. You can see the page view event is fired. We can see what data has passed. The data is encrypted, but you can see if anything is missing. Let's see some more events. This is how you can see and debug yourself for more accuracy. In Overview, you will see the analytics, but data updates every 30 minutes. Here you can see the total events, success events, failed events, pending events, or blocked events. Using STAPE and GTM on your custom website already? We know switching is hard, but for servertrack.io, It's just a one-click action. Your system can be migrated within a second. If you are already using STAPE or GTM, it's easy to migrate. Collect the code from the server configuration. Just replace your tag code with ours, and we are ready to connect. Make sure you remove the both tag code and use our SDK. And also make sure you don't remove the data layer enable code. And you are migrated. Free limit is finished. We have the one-click upgrade to use flawless server-side tracking. Click on Upgrade from the server deck. It will show the pricing. Choose your preferred pricing. Make the payment and congratulations. You are upgraded. For custom websites, connect our SDK script to your head section of your website. Visit our well-written documentation for setup. We have explained everything with example of every step and guide. If you still need help, you can hire an assistant who will help you set up server-side tracking. Thank you for watching. Start using servertrack.io. It's free.